Reliability is the backbone of a car's reputation. It ensures the vehicle you invest in will get you from point A to point B without unexpected hiccups. But in 2024, some vehicles fell far short of this expectation, leaving owners frustrated and out of pocket. Today, we're diving deep into the most unreliable cars of the year, exposing their flaws and the reasons they earned their spots on this list. From high-tech luxury rides to practical family SUVs, these vehicles remind us that even the most promising models can be plagued by problems. 1. Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee is an SUV that has built its legacy on rugged off-road prowess and a luxurious interior. However, the 2024 model has become a sore point for Jeep enthusiasts. Owners have been vocal about issues that significantly undermine its appeal. The most glaring problem lies in its transmission. Reports of jerky gear changes, delayed shifts, and outright transmission failures have flooded forums and complaints boards. These issues aren't just inconvenient, they're costly, with repairs often running into thousands of dollars. Drivers have also highlighted frequent problems with the Grand Cherokee's electrical systems. The infotainment screen tends to freeze, while the digital dashboard frequently displays erroneous warnings about tire pressure, fuel levels, or system malfunctions. Adding to its woes is its suspension system. The air suspension, while great for smoothing out rough terrain, seems prone to premature failure. Owners complain of uneven ride heights and noisy, clunky sounds over bumps. These issues are particularly surprising for a vehicle marketed as a capable off-roader, leaving many to question its durability. 2. Tesla Model X. Tesla's Model X stands as a beacon of futuristic design, featuring awe-inspiring falcon wing doors and one of the most advanced autopilot systems on the market. But behind the glamour lies a series of nagging issues that make it one of the most unreliable electric cars in 2024. The falcon wing doors, while visually striking, are a mechanical headache. Owners frequently report that the doors refuse to open or close properly, often leaving passengers stuck in awkward situations. Tesla's famed autopilot system, too, has come under fire for glitches. Sudden braking or failure to recognize obstacles has raised serious concerns about its reliability and safety. Battery degradation is another sore spot. While Tesla promises longevity for its batteries, some Model X owners report significant reductions in range after just a few years. This issue is compounded by Tesla's proprietary repair system, making even minor fixes an expensive ordeal. 3. Land Rover Discovery. The Land Rover Discovery is a luxury SUV that turns heads with its sophisticated design and off-road capabilities. But while it looks the part, its reliability tells a very different story. Under the hood, the Discovery's engine has been a consistent source of trouble. Common complaints include oil leaks, misfires, and turbocharger malfunctions. These issues aren't just irritating, they can lead to catastrophic engine damage if not addressed promptly. Its electrical system also leaves much to be desired. Malfunctioning parking sensors, erratic dashboard warnings, and glitches in the infotainment system are par for the course with this model. Owners have also flagged concerns with its air suspension, which tends to fail prematurely, resulting in a lopsided ride. For a vehicle in its price range, such problems feel inexcusable, making the Discovery more of a liability than a luxury. 4. Ford Explorer. The Ford Explorer has long been a family favorite, known for its spacious interior and modern features. However, the 2024 model has come under scrutiny for its reliability, or lack thereof. Transmission problems are among the most reported issues, with drivers experiencing harsh shifts, sudden jerks, and even complete transmission failures. These problems often emerge early in the vehicle's life, leaving many owners disappointed. The Explorer's build quality has also come into question. Loose trim pieces, misaligned panels, and signs of rust in under a year are surprisingly common. Its infotainment system, a crucial feature in modern SUVs, frequently crashes or lags, making navigation and entertainment a frustrating experience. While the Explorer shines on paper, its real-world reliability makes it a risky choice for families. 5. Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500 is an iconic pickup truck with a reputation for toughness. But in 2024, even this stalwart workhorse hasn't been immune to reliability concerns. Engine problems are the most common complaint, with reports of stalling, overheating, and even total engine failure. These issues often require extensive and expensive repairs, leaving owners feeling let down. The Silverado's transmission isn't much better, with drivers frequently experiencing slipping gears and delayed responses. Another significant issue is the truck's electronics. From failing sensors to sporadic electrical shorts, these problems can leave drivers stranded without warning. While the Silverado continues to offer impressive towing capacity and off-road capability, its reliability issues detract from its overall appeal. 6. Alfa Romeo Giulia. The Alfa Romeo Giulia is a car that turns heads with its stunning Italian design and exhilarating driving dynamics. However, its reliability woes have cast a shadow over its allure. The Giulia's turbocharged engine is prone to a range of problems, including oil leaks, overheating, and sudden power loss. These issues can escalate quickly, resulting in expensive repairs. Owners have also complained about the Giulia's electrical systems. Malfunctions in the adaptive cruise control, power windows, and even basic dashboard displays are alarmingly frequent. One of the most frustrating problems is its brakes. Premature wear and squeaking are common, which isn't what you'd expect from a car in this class. While driving a Giulia can feel like an adventure, owning one might feel like a gamble. 7. Volkswagen Tiguan. The Volkswagen Tiguan is a compact SUV that offers practicality and European styling. But in 2024, its reliability has left much to be desired. Engine stalling is a major issue, with many drivers reporting that their Tiguan shuts off unexpectedly, posing significant safety risks. The transmission isn't much better, with rough shifts and delayed gear changes frustrating drivers. Inside, the Tiguan's build quality feels inconsistent. Squeaks, rattles, and peeling trim are common complaints, detracting from its premium image. While the Tiguan has its strengths, its reliability problems make it a tough sell in a competitive market. 8. BMW X5. The BMW X5 is a luxury SUV that combines performance with refinement. However, its reliability has been a sticking point for 2024 buyers. The X5's air suspension system is a frequent source of headaches. Leaks in the system can lead to uneven ride heights, requiring costly repairs. Cooling system issues, including leaking coolant and failing water pumps, are another common problem. Even the X5's high-tech features can be a double-edged sword. Gesture controls and digital keys often malfunction, leaving drivers frustrated. For a vehicle that promises so much, the X5's reliability leaves much to be desired. 9. Audi Q7. The Audi Q7 is a luxury SUV that aims to deliver a premium driving experience. However, its reliability problems have disappointed many owners. Timing chain issues are among the most significant complaints, with wear and tear leading to engine damage if not addressed promptly. The Q7's infotainment system also struggles, with frequent freezes and errors. Transmission problems, including slipping gears and delayed shifts, further detract from its appeal. While the Q7 excels in comfort and design, its reliability concerns overshadow its strengths. 10. Nissan Pathfinder. The Nissan Pathfinder is a versatile family SUV, but its reliability in 2024 has been far from impressive. The Pathfinder's continuously variable transmission, CVT, is notorious for overheating and premature failure. Drivers have also reported squeaky brakes and reduced stopping power, which are concerning for a family vehicle. Inside, the Pathfinder's interior quality leaves much to be desired. Loose fittings and cheap materials make it feel less premium than its competitors. While it offers practicality, its reliability issues make it a less appealing choice. This concludes our list of the most unreliable cars in 2024. Each of these vehicles has its strengths, but their reliability issues have overshadowed their potential. For prospective buyers, these models serve as cautionary tales, highlighting the importance of researching a car's track record before making a purchase.